The Samsung Galaxy A53 5G is a mid-range smartphone that was released in 2020. Here are some of its features and a review. Design. The Samsung Galaxy A53 5G has a sleek and modern design with a 6.5-inch display and a punch-hole camera on the top center. It has a plastic back with a matte finish that provides a comfortable grip. Display. The phone comes with a 6.5-inch Super AMOLED display with a 1080x2400 resolution. The screen is bright and vibrant, making it perfect for watching videos or playing games. Performance. The Galaxy A53 5G is powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 750G chipset and comes with 6 GB of RAM. The phone runs smoothly, and the chipset ensures fast and efficient performance. Camera. The phone has a quad camera setup at the back with a 48MP primary camera, a 5MP ultra-wide camera, a 5MP macro camera, and a 2MP depth sensor. The camera quality is decent, and the images captured in good lighting conditions have good detail and color accuracy. The 16MP front-facing camera is also good for selfies and video calls. Battery. The Samsung Galaxy A53 5G is backed by a 4500 mAh battery that easily lasts a full day of moderate usage. It supports 15W fast charging, which can charge the battery from 0 to 50% in around 30 minutes. Overall, the Samsung Galaxy A53 5G is a good mid-range smartphone with 5G connectivity, a great display, and decent cameras. If you're looking for a phone that delivers fast performance and has long battery life, the Galaxy A53 5G is definitely worth considering.